How to set up a new email account. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a brand new email account on your laptop, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open any web browser like Chrome or Edge. Once in the browser, in the address bar, type gmail.com and hit enter. It will open the Gmail website. Now click on Create Account and choose for my personal use. Enter your first name and last name, then click Next. Now add your birth date and gender, then click Next again. You'll now need to choose a username. This will be your new Gmail address. Try to pick something unique. Next, create a strong password and re-enter it to confirm. Then click Next. You can now add a phone number for recovery purposes. After that, you have to review Google's terms and conditions. Agree to them. Wait a few seconds and your new Gmail account will be created and ready to use. That's all for the video. Setting up a Gmail account on your laptop is quick and easy. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. That's all for the video, and see you in the next one.